So guys, today we would be discussing about the touch command. Okay, so when we discuss about the touch command, what does a touch command do? Okay, so let's see. So when we talk about touch command, so when we talk about touch command, it actually creates an empty file. Okay, it creates, even it can create multiple empty files. It can change all time stamps of the file, and also it can update only access time of file or modify the time of file. Okay, so creates an empty file. Let's say if you want to create, let's say file a. Okay, so if you want to create this particular file, what you would write is basically touch space file a. Okay, if you want to create multiple files, you can just write touch file A, file B, okay, file C, how many number of files you want to create. Change the timestamp. So how will you create the timestamp? Is basically you will write, just a second. So let's say I want to change the timestamp of file A. So I will write touch uh, A file A. So basically this will change the timestamp. Okay, so touch dash A file A. If you want to modify the time of a file, modify, basically if you want to change the um, modify time. Okay, if you want to change some modify time, or if you want to modify the time, you can just write touch M file A in that particular case. So let's see how this works in the lab. Okay, let's get into the lab and let's see, like I'm using the same EC2 machine which I've used in the last class. Let me just reconnect this machine. Okay, okay. So let me write ls. Okay, so I need to first give sudo su. Okay, so I've given the root access now. So let me just check what all I have. So I have file 1, file 2, file 3. Okay, so let me create one more file. Okay, so let me just create a file A only. So file A with the help of touch command. So with the help of touch command, we can create a file which is empty file. Okay, so if I write touch command and write ls, the file A is being created. Let's see what content is there in this file A. Okay, so this is an empty file. Nothing is there in this file A. Okay, now let's see at what particular time this the details of this file. So we will write stat file A. Okay, so this file A is there, the size is 0, and the access, it shows the access time, modify when the file was last accessed, when it was last modified, when the last change was done on that particular file. You can control that particular things with the help of a touch command. Okay, so what you will do is, if I want to change the access time, if I want to update the access time, what I will do is I will write this thing and I will write file A. Okay, now let's use stat function and write file A. So if I see the access time, it's 17:05:39. Earlier my access time was 17:04:47. So my access time is changed, but my modified time would be same. So it's 17. My modified time is 17:04:47, and here also my modified time is 17:04:47. So modified time is same. Let's say I want to update my modified time as well. So M file A. Okay, so now again let me use stat function and file A. Okay, so if we look at it, my modify time is also changed. Okay, So this is how your this particular the touch function works. Let's say let's say cat file one. Okay, so there is some content is the file one which I have created in my last lecture when I explained you about vi editor. So let's see how this if let's say I want to, this is some additional topic, so if I want to empty this particular file, how will I do it? If I want to empty this file one, okay, so how will you do it? You can actually write file one. Okay, this is one of the method. Okay, you can just write file one and press Control D. Okay, and when you again write cat file one, it would be an empty file now. Okay, so this is an empty file. But let's say I have one more file and I just don't want to use anything else. So I will just put this and write file two. My file would be empty. Okay, so if I write cat file two, and your file would be empty. Okay, so so this is how we can actually first of all create an empty file with the help of touch command. We can modify it. We can also, after modification, if we want to change the update the access time, we can do it. Okay, if we want to create multiple files, we can use touch. Let's say file 4, file 5, file 6. So this is how you can create multiple file. If you press ls, the multiple files will be created. Okay, so that's all for today. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I would be putting end-to-end courses on solution architect, DevOps, Linux, GitHub, Git and GitHub, and also each and every topic for Azure and GCP, which you have to pay a huge amount for the same. I would be giving all that for free. Okay, thank you.